like this car so much that I think we need another. Anyway, we're back. It's been a couple weeks. Haven't done a whole lot of filming, but the toy box is expanding. I think I showed in the previous video the delivery of the Prowler here. Quick update on the 3100 and the 78 Indy Pace car. Both, or at least the 78, should be done this week. So that should hopefully be back in the toy box at the end of this week or early next week at the latest, I would think. I'll show you guys later on once I get that back. But you know, all new paint job, so suspension got all updated and recoated, and exhaust got recoated. A lot of stuff got done to that car just to make it right. We didn't modify it like the C2 and the C1, so it is period correct like the C4 and the C5. It's just more, it's brought to like this generation's standards as far as quality goes for the paint. Been driving the cars a little bit here. I gotta wash a bunch of them. M4 is dirty, that needs a bath. The Dark Horse is really dirty, that needs a bath. I mean, look at this. I got probably like 500 or 600 miles on this thing now. So we'll clean up that today. We'll clean up the M4 today. I show the brake dust because it shows. It's hard to tell on these gray or silver cars, but hard to tell how dirty they are. And then also was driving the R8 for a few days, and people always ask me what my favorite is, and I always point right to the 911. That's the one. But if that wasn't the one, the R8 will be the one. I'm not going to do a full detailed video on washing these because I do plan on doing several of them today. So we'll just make it quick. Enjoy. Do this quick. All right, there's one down. I'm gonna try to get 2 more done. All right, next up, the S65 is pretty dirty. Can't tell on white cars as much as you can on darker ones. Kind of see here. Mostly dust, but a lot of grime and stuff as well. Hear that thunder? She purrs a little bit. with the R8 and the S65 both having ceramic brakes and this whole entire car being coated, cleaning the wheels is very easy, just as simple as just blowing them off. So we're going to make this nice and easy as well. Just like that. This is a very underrated car, kind of like the R8. You don't see this very often because S-Class for Mercedes is the top tier in their sedans, and they made this coupe version a while back, and they made it one of the bi-turbo V12s for a short time. I think these things have significantly dropped in value here over the last 5 years. So this is if you're in the market for a very comfortable, maybe competitive to a Continental GT or something like that, I would suggest picking one of these guys up. Cleans up really nice, a lot of chrome, which is, I don't know, I'm not a fan of, but I don't hate either. I don't know if it'll look better with black or not, but I don't know, it's pretty classic. Got the polished around the window frames and stuff. It's a pretty cool car. It's big. I don't know how far back I gotta go. It's super comfortable, very fast. Yeah, nice car. I know I didn't show a whole lot in those two cars, but I just wanted to get a quick video up for you guys since I haven't filmed for a while. I thought I would wash the two white beasts. She's quiet, but she's mighty. Right, yeah, I know that was quick. Didn't show a whole lot besides just a quick wash of the cars. It's nice when you coat your cars with ceramic coating or something similar because it really makes the washing process that much better. A little faster, much more easy to maintain. So, okay, I'm gonna try to get M4, Dark Horse, and I might wash the bike. I'm debating selling that guy. I just don't use it that much. I got about almost 300 miles on it. It looks badass. Look at this thing. Now that I look at it, I don't want to sell it. I just don't really use it that much. It is paid off. Actually, a lot of my cars are paid off now since I sold that lot. I'll end this one here. I'll try to do another video here, well, since I'm here. So, as always, I do appreciate watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.